This is an important question, and I hope I can help lots of people with the answer to it. And that question is this: how do I connect my LinkedIn profile to our company page on LinkedIn? And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all this content for you. All right, I'm gonna go down to the experience section because that's where it all starts. Now you can see I've got myself connected to my own company with the different roles I have here. You can also see that I'm connected to, let's go down further, Score Business Mentor, this company which does not have a company page, and this company that does have a company page. These are my previous experiences. Now let's go add a new one and show you how to connect yourself to your company page. I'm gonna hit the plus and add a new position. I'm going to give it a title that clearly tells the viewer what I do. My employment type is, choose the option you want to choose here, full-time, whatever. I'm going to do full-time. And then here's the magic, the company. Now here's where you type in the company name. And watch when I do this. When I type in, now if I type in Hawthorne Advisors and I just hit the tab, it did not select the company. It did not select the company. What you have to do is when you type in the name of the company, you have to go down here and you have to select it from the list. And I thought I did. I'm going to say yes. And then you can do the rest of it. Location, whether you're still there, the start and end date. And by the way, do not, unless you're going to, unless it's the right answer, don't end any position unless it's the right answer. And do not change your business and industry unless it's the right answer. You can absolutely use up to 2,000 characters in your description telling the viewer what you do, what you can do, what you enjoy doing in that role if you have that information. Do not update your headline here. Leave that alone. Update that at the top card when it's the right thing to do. You can add skills if you want to this section. I'm not too worried about that. And then once you're done, hit the save button. And I need to have a start date. At the very least, I need to start year, hit save. And I'm going to say, no, I don't want to do that. And I'm going to say X, I'm not going to answer that. And then if you go down here to my experience section, you can see I added myself as a business coach at Hawthorne Advisors. And how do I know my profile is connected? A, because I selected it from the list. And B, when you click on that icon right there, it opens up the company page. That is the definitive answer that says, is my LinkedIn profile connected to my company? The answer is yes. If the logo shows up and if you click on the logo, it goes to the LinkedIn company page. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator, strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.